you are not alone and it is only temporary. Ever feel like life is slipping away? Many people feel lost and hopeless, while some get a good start only to get distracted and lose their way. I understand that life can be tough, and finding the right path isn't easy. But here's a secret. A man who wastes his life is no better than scum. Let's discuss 7 habits that can transform your life for the better. 1. Deep thinking. Most people live like robots, blindly following what society dictates, ending up in the rat race. No wonder they feel doomed. The system, the matrix, whatever you call it, wasn't designed to help you reach your full potential. It's made to drain your energy and turn you into a drone. To truly change your life, you need to think deeply. Sit down in a quiet room without your phone to avoid distractions. Take a moment to reflect on your life. Consider the direction you're heading and where you'll end up if you continue on this path. Think about where you want to go and the person you aspire to become. What kind of life does this person lead, and what steps are necessary to get there? Sitting down and thinking deeply already puts you ahead of 80% of people. Most are so distracted by celebrities and social media that their minds are incapable of deep thought. After your reflection, don't immediately grab your phone and get distracted. Instead, take a piece of paper or a journal and write down your important thoughts. With a clear picture in mind, you can start working on a plan. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Take daily moments to think deeply and jot down your thoughts. The greatest men in history have always taken time for deep thought, and you won't get anywhere without using your mind. 2. Analysis. This might seem contradictory, but overthinking can lead to paralysis by analysis. It's crucial to think things through, but many people use thinking as an excuse to avoid action. Don't be a coward who only analyzes, but never execute. Turn your thoughts into reality, and ensure action follows your thinking. 3. Let go of unproductive relationships. Many people are surrounded by those content with mediocrity, individuals who do nothing with their lives and are happy to pull you down with them. If you keep such dead weight in your life, you won't progress far. Don't be overconfident and think you can be an exception to this. Keeping unproductive people around is like trying to drive a car with the handbrake on. It's the subtle comments from people in your circle that can hold you back, such as, "You work too hard," or "Why do you go to the gym so much?" These might seem harmless, but are psychological attempts to stop your progress. It's a spell cast on you to slow you down. Be decisive with people who impose these limiting beliefs on you. When someone makes a joke about your goals or advises you to take it easy, tell them you don't want to hear such remarks again. If the people around you can't support or help you grow, the least they can do is stay silent and not derail you. 4. Life continues. The world doesn't stop for anyone. Whether you're sad, depressed, broke, or in the hospital, life moves on. If you don't keep moving and working towards your goals, you'll be left behind. Regardless of what you're going through, make a consistent effort every day to achieve what you desire. 5. Vigorous gratitude. Gratitude is incredibly powerful, but many don't grasp its full meaning. It's not just about feeling good. It's much more. As long as I can move, I refuse to let myself get out of shape, because it would be ungrateful to neglect my body. I'll always stay physically strong and fit out of sheer gratitude. This principle applies to all areas of life. Be genuinely grateful for your blessings, opportunities, and a healthy mind and body. Recognize that it's extremely ungrateful to ignore these gifts and waste your life. Be aggressively grateful, eager to honor your blessings with hard work every day. 6. Transform your environment. Changing your environment can make a significant difference. From personal experience, I can say it makes it easier to do what's right without needing extra motivation. If you live in Thailand near several Muay Thai gyms, it's easy to start practicing Muay Thai daily. If you're in a business environment surrounded by entrepreneurs, making money becomes easier. Arrange your surroundings to facilitate better decision-making and practice good habits. It might be uncomfortable at first, but pushing through that discomfort is essential. The world is bigger than your hometown, and growth never happens in your comfort zone. 7. Develop a healthy relationship with money. Most people have an unhealthy relationship with money, leading them to remain perpetually broke. Some even resent wealthy individuals or view money as evil, which is a coping mechanism for their lack of financial understanding. Like masculinity, female nature, and other topics, money is something you should educate yourself about. There's a lot to learn about how money works and various ways to earn it. While I could go into detail about numerous online skills to make money right now, that's not the focus here. Just know that financial literacy is crucial. Transforming your life starts with these 7 habits. These steps will set you on a path to success and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on living your best life. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.